I just had a very nice chicken salad here at Cafe Grace, Restaurant Grace. Let's go together to the evening mass. You see, in Medjugorje it has started to rain. Right now it's just a little rain. It was before stronger. And on Sundays you have also a lot of locals going to the mass. Let's go together to give you a little impression how Medjugorje is on Sunday night at 6 o'clock. You see, people are coming to the mass. These are all local cars. And let's go together. And let's see if the mass is inside or outside. We will see that now. They always have to take, the Franciscans have to take the decision, will the mass be inside or outside, looking at the forecast, weather forecast. Let's look together behind the church. What is going on behind the church? See, on the right side of the church you got the Croatian confessionals, and on the left side the international confessionals.
Odavdi stvorca duša sveko, hodi duša vjernika, oteti višnjo milostju grudu što nas stvoriju. I naziva se tješitelj blagodat Boga svevišnje, studenući i ljubavla i pomazanja duhovna. Darova 7